guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bibi Mira here. If you're new, please click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and if you're not new, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make this wig. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, for the wig, the first thing you need to make this wig is a mannequin, you need a needle, and then thread, a net for the wig apparently, which is very important, like here, closure, and then apparently the hair bundles, like. And the first thing we need to do is to fit in this hair net on the mannequin. So when you're done fitting in this hair net on the mannequin, the next thing you have to do is to pull your thread on your when you're done putting the thread in the needle, just tie it. And so I forgot to mention that you will be needing a scissors. So now let's get into the real deal. So I want to make a center pattern, right? So the first thing I need to do is to sew my closure. So I'm going to make sure it's in the middle of the mannequin. So it goes this way, exactly in the middle. Yeah. So I'm using this to hold it so I will know where exactly is the middle of the mannequin. So I think I'm going to hold here, and it's exactly in the middle, right? Yeah. So the first thing we need to do is to start sewing in this mannequin. Oh, sorry. The first thing to do is to start sewing in this closure on the net. So this is how it goes. So now exactly what you do is to go down here on the net, and then take a part of the net, then the part of the closure, a little part of the closure, just as you're seeing right here, and then go, and then wrap this needle around here, and then pull your thread just to make it strong and firm. So this is what you have to continue doing. until your closure is ready. And make sure it's straight. Another way to sew this thing, the more easier way, and the thread wouldn't be invisible, or it wouldn't show that much, is just normally to pass it through the net and then through the closure, push further, and don't like wrap it under anyone, just go straight and then just that way continuously. You don't need to wrap or pass the thread under the other one, just like I showed you before. Whichever way you think fit, you can do that. So we're still here. So now I'm done sewing the closure, as you can see. So I'm going to proceed with the weave. So right now I have this bundle of weave with me. This is Pixie, so I'm going to start sewing it right now. So I'll just cut off this bundle and then let's start sewing the weave on. So the first thing to do is like sew from here. I'm going to show you detailed step by step of how to sew this. So for me, I'm going to start from the very first line here. Is to pass your thread this way. This way, then pass it one more time for it to be firm. Right now, see, it looks a bit firm. Then go to the next, please, and pass it this way. Now when you get to this place, cross it this way. So you do the same thing here. Then cross it this way. The thing is just to keep crossing it so that it will be so firm. So when you get to the extreme, instead of you to start cutting your weave, so what you have to do is to turn it this way and then continue sewing. So if I want to place it here, so what I'll do is pass it here. So I've gotten it, the thread here, so I continue this. Then pass it here. Then smoothly turn this. We'll come here again. So guys, our wig is ready. You see, looks cute, looks pretty. Okay guys, this is Pixie coils. There are two ways to rock the coils. Apparently the first one is wear it this way and do nothing. And then the second one is applying water and then splitting the coils. This way it will be a lot fuller. So I'm going to show you guys the two different ways I'm going to rock my wig. So guys, first thing first, I would need to cut off this place to allow the closure look so real and fitting, and then I would cut off this piece as well. So apparently this is the last step. So first, yeah. So now makes this place look, cutting that part of the net off to make this place look so natural, just as it is. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cut this one off like this. Like this, I need to like cut this one up. Yeah. I'm gonna wrap my wig right now. So guys, like I said before, there are two ways to rock this hair. So I feel this is the first one, just leaving the hair as it is. Looks nice, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys the second way to rock hair. Yeah. So guys, the second way to rock the wig is this way. You see? So what did I do? What I did was to split the curls, like split the curls. This makes the hair more fluffy, more full, and that's it. So you know, when you want to take back this hair to curls, what you have to do is just to pour water and then twist it back to curl. Not really twist it back to curl, just apply just ordinary water and it goes back to curl. So this is why Pixie hair is so nice. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped a lot. Please give this video a big thumbs up and see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye. Yeah, bye.